Andy Shields here with ELIET. Want to take a few minutes and talk to you about our Super Prof Max. This is actually the flagship machine for ELIET. The first machine back in 1994 to use self-propelled technology. The Super Prof Max comes standard with our 23 horsepower Vanguard EFI engine. What that means is it's got electronic fuel injection. Self-propelled on these models works right here on the handle. This one with tracks has two handles that work. We also have a wheeled version that would have one handle that you're actually able to drive the machine with. This also comes with an array of technology advances, one of which is the Eco-Eye system. What that allows you to do is load your material, walk away if you have to keep working. If it senses that you're not working at the moment and it's not shredding, it'll actually idle down, which is good for not only the environment but the health of the machine. When it senses that you have come back with more material to shred, idles back up, it's ready for work. Another great thing about this machine is the size and the ease of loading in this chute. This chute is the exact same size all the way back, which means I am easily able to load any green waste material up to 5 inches in diameter for this machine. It's going to be fed through a hydraulic feed wheel that is also has our anti-blocking system, and what that means is if the machine is having to work a little bit harder to shred some material, the feed wheel is going to stop itself momentarily so the blades can catch up to keep that consistency, and then the feed wheel will kick right back on to be able to continue to load any of that green waste material that you have going into this machine. Another great thing about this machine is the ease of access. Here on the back is where we have all the blades in our system. All you have to do is pop the two handles down here, lift this chute up. I have complete access to my blades now if I have any issues back here or any maintenance I need to do. Now these blades actually are what make our chopping principle happen. What that means is the offset blades are going to cut and shred with the grain of the wood, allowing the machine to not have to work as hard but give us a much finer material. There's a couple of grates back here in the back that are going to continue to have the material spin with the blades, making about 48,000 cuts per minute until we have that very nice green waste material we like to call biotech chips. Those biotech chips can be put right back into your garden or into your workspace. They're great for mulching, great for composting. Now once that material is small enough to go through the grates, it goes into our Accelero discharge system. Now what that is, we are pulling through the Accelero air through the chute of the machine, and as we build that vacuum and the chips are small enough and they hit the Accelero, straight out of the chute, back into your garden, ready to go. The size of this machine, the ease of it with the self-propelled system will allow you to take it anywhere at 35 inches in diameter and about 1,100 pounds. Instead of you having to drag the material to your machine, you're taking your machine to your material. One man, one job. Any more information, check out our website.